If you are a nature lover and want to have a honeymoon filled with fun, adventure and leisurely activities, then this list of the best honeymoon destinations for couples who love the outdoors is just for you. There are some factors that may influence your decision on where to go on vacation. For instance, you may want to think about the climate, the culture of the country, and whether or not it's safe. Once you have considered these factors, then it may become a matter of deciding if you want to visit a nearby country or take a more adventurous journey abroad. Europe is home to many breathtaking great outdoor spots, and we wanted to share 10 of our favourites. These places are absolutely worth checking out, and we hope this list helps you find what you are looking for. The Dolomites, Italy. The Dolomites is a region in the north of Italy, made up of over 100 mountains. The best time to visit is during the winter months, when there are no crowds and you can enjoy the snow on the slopes. The area has many outdoor sports for visitors to enjoy, such as skiing, snowboarding, hiking, and mountain biking. The Alps, France. Who says outdoor sports are only for the summer months? The Alps in southern France have some of the best winter activities around. And if you're not a fan of winter sports, this is the perfect time to enjoy some hiking, cycling, and caving. Andalusia, Spain. Andalusia is a region in the south of Spain, which has always been known for its impressive landscapes of mountains, beaches, and farmlands. Anyone visiting Andalusia will have the chance to enjoy outdoor sports such as hiking, cycling, mountain biking, sailing, and more. The Scottish Highlands. The Scottish Highlands is a beautiful green region in the United Kingdom. It is famous for its breathtaking scenery and outdoor recreational opportunities. The Scottish Highlands offer activities such as hiking, mountain biking, kayaking, and more. There are also plenty of old castles to explore. Slovenia, all of it. Slovenia is a small country in Europe with many outdoor activities to choose from. The country has over 900 kilometers of coastline, over 1,200 kilometers of rivers and streams, and more than 3,300 lakes. Slovenia has 4 national parks with varied terrain, including the Julian Alps, a mountain range, the Karavanki, a chain of mountains, and the Pannonian Plain, the world's largest lowland. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon, a coastal city in Portugal, is known for many things. A popular tourist destination, Lisbon is also known for its food, wine, and rich history. Lisbon has over 20 kilometers of coastline that makes it an ideal place for water sports enthusiasts, with thousands of opportunities for people to go sailing, diving, and windsurfing. Athens, Greece. There are many water sports in Athens, Greece. The country is located along the Mediterranean Sea, and this has influenced the type of water sports available. The most popular water sport is swimming, which can be done either on the coast or one of the many inland pools that dot the city. Other popular activities include jet skiing, parasailing, kayaking, and fishing. Rome, Italy. Summer is the perfect time to visit Rome, Italy. If you are looking for a way to spend your day, you're in luck. There are countless water activities that are available to do in this city. You can take a boat tour, go rafting or kayaking, go on a 1-hour cruise with the Tiber Riverboat Company, or rent a pedal boat from one of the docks. Paris, France. Paris is a romantic and historical city with so much to offer. From the Eiffel Tower to the Notre Dame Cathedral, Paris is a place that everyone should see at least once in their lifetime. It is also a great destination for those who love water activities. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona is by the Mediterranean Sea and has a lot of water activities to offer, from boat tours of the harbour and gardens to kayaking on the beach. Barcelona is one of the most beautiful places in Europe for water sports. The best honeymoon destinations for couples who love the outdoors are typically those that offer easy access to hiking trails, natural beauty such as waterfalls or mountains, and outdoor activities such as kayaking and snorkeling. We hope you have enjoyed our recommendations, and let us know in the comments below if you are planning to visit any of these destinations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!